Ever tried chopping an onion and ended up crying? How in the world can a vegetable break your heart and make you cry? Let me tell you. Onions are not handsome heartbreakers. The second your knife slices into an onion, you change its chemistry. You see, cutting an onion ruptures its cell walls, which hold the cell's content. When the knife breaks through, molecules and enzymes will escape. Some of those enzymes break down sulfur compounds in the onion, and the process generates sulfenic acid. And other chemical reactions convert the sulfenic acids into the volatile and irritating gas called Onion Lachrymatory Factor. When this gas floats and goes into your eyes, certain neurons instruct your tear ducts to wash out what they think is a harmful substance. So here's what you can do to avoid crying when cutting onions. Store the onion in the fridge or freezer 30 minutes before chopping it. This method slows down the enzymes, which should prevent tears. Alternatively, briefly boiling an onion for around 5 to 10 seconds should have the same effect, as high heat can deactivate the enzymes. Another way to not cry when cutting onions is to cut it under running water to prevent the gas from reaching your eyes. Use a sharp knife when cutting an onion, as a dull knife could rupture the onion cells even more, releasing more tear gas. And if you simply don't have the time to do all those, you can always wear sunglasses or goggles while cutting onions. Just make sure you don't cut your fingers instead. If glasses and goggles don't work out for you, don't worry.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Scientists are trying to solve the problem too. Researchers from New Zealand and Japan are working together to create a tear-free onion. They are trying the method that would silence the gene that makes Onion Lachrymatory Factor, that annoying gas that would make you cry.
Hey, who left this bowl of onions here?
Although this may seem like good news, the genetically modified product is not available in the market yet. There are, however, milder onions with low levels of volatile gas in the market, where researchers use traditional plant breeding along with specific growing environment, such as the right temperature and growing them in soil with lower sulfur content. But if the milder onions are not in your supermarket, try doing the tricks I've mentioned. Might save you from crying. For Rice World Asia, I'm Big D.
Excuse me.